Hello and welcome back to another episode. We are back in the riverbed looking for trash. Let's get started. It's only been a few meters and there we have our first piece of trash, plastic wrappers. It's stuck. Looks like some kind of plastic bottle. And I think I broke the bottom off in there. So let's have a look. Yes, there's the rest. There we go. And the back. I thought it would be bigger. Oh, that's good. More metal parts. I hope that doesn't destroy my plastic bag. Would be a shame if it would be damaged so early on. And here you can see why the river is in such a bad state. Old roof tiles, huge mountain of them just dumped here into the river, and there you can see more of them right next to it. I just saw this handle and nice, an old toilet brush. And what I also find a lot, but don't film every time, are these small little fragments of plastic sheet. There's a lot of them here, and yeah, it's not that interesting, but you can see how the plastic breaks down into microplastic over time, and at that point it's practically impossible to remove that. An old fence, still with a concrete post here, that will definitely be impossible to remove, but I might be able to get rid of some of this fencing material here, so no animals get caught here. Okay, so this is freed. Let's see if I can pull it out. It's looking good. Looking good. I think I got it out. Oh my god. That is a lot. There we go. It's freed. What I'll do is I'll put it here and collect it on the way back, because if I put that in my trash bag now, it will definitely tear apart. But all the small little pieces here, I think they can go in the bag now. And another shoe part. I don't know what's up with all the shoe parts here in this river. And more fake wood. Another shoe sole. That's a lot of shoe soles. I don't know where they're coming. Some sort of flooring tile. old wheel. An old clock. And plastic rope. An old umbrella. Still usable. An old Coke bottle. Another tube. More tiny amounts of plastic. In 1 year, that's impossible to remove because it's already gotten smaller into more pieces, and at this point, yeah, can't get it out anymore. So it's good that we are taking this out now, because later it might be impossible. And I think we just found springs on an old mattress. And some kind of old canister. That's a trash hotspot right here. A sock. What's that? Another shoe sole. More shoe sole parts. Another teeny tiny piece of plastic. It's already ripping apart as I get it out, so that's not good. Some kind of plastic fabric, I don't know what that is. More clothes. Okay. And a PVC pipe. See if we can get the dirt out. Yes, we can. That's good. Electrical parts, okay. This looks like a fish can. Yes, it is. I have nothing against fish in the river, but fish cans, no. And I think we just found the other part of the comb I found earlier. I think this is the other one. And of course, more tiny pieces of plastic. broken lighter and another can part. So the bag is already quite full and getting really hard to carry alone. So yeah, I think I'm stopping it here for today. Head back and get that wire fence. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching, please consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up. That really helps me a lot and this channel, and yeah, helps me raise awareness for this huge problem that we are having with plastic pollution. So yes, thank you very much, and I'll see you again in 2 weeks. Bye!